But
good morning. We're going to show you a short video of the daily maintenance. This daily maintenance should take you between 3 to 5 minutes a day to do, but it's crucial, it's very important. Here we have the setup. We're using, in this case, for this video, the Goslyn, the 10 gallons per minute. And the setup is only one sink connected to it, regardless what the kitchen setup or that specific place is going to have connected to it. We have the, if you can approach, we're going to take the lid off. The lid just keeps it nice and clean. And but here we have, in this section, we have the basket, which has orifices of 1/16, and anything bigger than 1/16 is going to be stopped by that basket. Let's start the first step. The first step is to grab the basket and leave it sitting on the ledge so it'll drain. You won't make a mess when you dump the garbage into the garbage bin. Now here, let's assume that you've already done that. Then you leave it wait for a while. You take it very carefully, and then you pour it right, all the gum, all the dirt, anything that's been collected. You can take a look at it. It's dripping there. You can dump it all to the garbage can, and as soon as you've done that, you just get a piece of paper, wipe everything down so you won't be dripping all over, and above that, clean the upper section, and you put it back into the place where the basket belongs. Do not flush, do not drain, do not do anything when the basket is out, because otherwise debris will go into the machine and affect its proper performance. After that, we have a brush, and this brush is going to be used to clean the animal fat that congeals here in the valve. You push it down several times and then through the chute so you can clean the animal fat that's being congealed. As soon as you do that, you put it in a nice safe place. In this case, we're going to leave it here for now. Now, we're going to allow the sink to be drained so you can see how the clean water is going to go out, and at the same time, look how the oil is coming out. So up to now, you've done exactly 2 steps. You clean with the brush the valve, you clean the basket, which is really important, and then we're going to go and tackle the silt. Why? Because anything smaller than 1/16 we consider silt. It goes to the bottom of the machine, and at the bottom of the machine we have a silt valve which is spring loaded. We're going to open it, and you're going to see the silt coming out of here. In fact, I'm going to get a piece of paper and make it a little bit more drastic so you can see the silt coming down. And you're gonna, as soon as you stop seeing the silt, that means all the silt is out. You see the silt, that dark stuff is what collects. Now it's clean water. Now that we have clean water, we let go. Some silt still remains, you'll open it up again until everything is out. Now you see, it's clean water, there's no more silt. You have cleaned the silt from underneath from inside of the machine. Okay, now comes the most important thing. What does this machine do? It separates the fat, oil and grease, the fog, from the system. And the fog, which is collected here in this container. This container, you are going to use it and dispose in the proper way in a bin, 5-gallon bin, and somebody else is going to come and collect it, and then you dispose it properly. This is considered yellow oil rather than brown oil that is obtained in grease traps. This is recyclable and is used for biofuel. It's an excellent opportunity to even do a little bit of business, because some companies are even buying it nowadays. So then you've done number 1, step 1, the basket. Number 2, step 2, the brush. Number 3 is going to be the silt valve, cleaning the silt valve, and number 4 is going to be the oil. And you're done. In reality, 3 to 5 minutes, you should do it really quick. It's a simple method. Thank you very much.